and welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is August 6th, 2025, and we're diving into Rivian's second quarter 2025 financial results. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Rivian has been making waves in the electric vehicle market, and their latest earnings report provides a lot to discuss, from their production numbers to strategic investments and future outlook.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the financials. Rivian reported total revenues of $1.303 billion for Q2 2025, but they also posted a gross loss. Can you break this down for us, John?
Certainly. Rivian's total revenue for the quarter was $1.303 billion, with automotive sales contributing $927 million and software and services adding $376 million. However, they reported a gross loss of $206 million, resulting in a negative gross margin of 16%. This is primarily due to high production costs and supply chain challenges.
And what about their net loss?
The net loss for the quarter was $1.115 billion, which is a significant figure. This reflects the ongoing investments in R&D and expansion efforts, as well as the impact of supply chain complexities.
Strategic investments and partnerships. Rivian received a substantial investment from Volkswagen. How does this impact their strategic positioning?
Volkswagen's $1 billion equity investment at $19.42 per share is a strong vote of confidence in Rivian's future. This partnership is part of a larger $5.8 billion joint venture, which will bolster Rivian's technological capabilities and market reach. Additionally, the new East Coast headquarters in Atlanta will serve as a strategic hub for their growth.
And what about their R2 development?
Rivian's R2 development is progressing well, with design validation and testing underway. They are on track to commission the new R2 production line in the third quarter, which is crucial for scaling their manufacturing capacity.
Operational challenges and future outlook. Rivian's production and delivery numbers are quite interesting. Can you elaborate on the challenges they are facing?
Rivian produced 5,979 vehicles and delivered 10,661 in Q2. The production was limited due to supply chain issues, partly driven by shifts in trade policy. Despite these challenges, they are maintaining their 2025 delivery guidance of 40,000 to 46,000 vehicles, which shows confidence in overcoming these hurdles.
What does this mean for their future outlook?
Rivian is focused on scaling their operations and enhancing their product offerings. The ongoing investments in technology and infrastructure, along with strategic partnerships, position them well for future growth, although they need to navigate the supply chain complexities effectively.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Let's talk about the earnings per share. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of Midas 82. How did Rivian perform in this regard?
Rivian reported an actual EPS of $0.97, missing the forecast by 15. This miss can be attributed to the higher-than-expected costs and the ongoing challenges in scaling production efficiently.
What does this mean for investor sentiment?
The EPS miss might raise concerns among investors, but the strategic investments and partnerships could offset some of the negative sentiment. It's a mixed bag, and investors will be watching closely how Rivian addresses these challenges moving forward.
Key takeaways. In summary, Rivian's Q2 2025 results show both challenges and opportunities. While they reported a net loss of $1.115 billion, the $1 billion investment from Volkswagen and their strategic initiatives provide a positive outlook. John, any final thoughts?
Rivian is at a critical juncture. Their ability to navigate supply chain issues and scale production will be key. The strategic partnerships and investments are promising, but execution will be crucial in the coming quarters.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Rivian's performance in the comments below.